Hello everyone. Today we can see the polymorphism. What is polymorphism and how many types of polymorphisms we have in Java? We can see one by one. First, what is polymorphism? In computer science, the term polymorphism means a method has the same another in spelling but different behavior. Means here whatever method we are going to be using, suppose we are going to be writing the addition method, addition, addition. These are the three methods, same name we are going to be using. And parameters, whatever parameters we are going to be using in the three addition methods, it should be different. That is called polymorphism. In computer science, the term polymorphism means method the same is another spelling with different behavior. Means behavior is different from one method to another method. Method name is same. That is called polymorphism. The computer differentiate between among methods depending on either method signature or object reference. It should be defined whenever we are going to be declaring the methods. It should be behavior will be different. How it should be different? But in a method definition, we are going to be writing some executable statements. Depending upon that signature, it should be changing, or object reference also it should be changing. Whenever we are going to be writing the method definition within the class, that it should be compile type or runtime. Object reference will be done at runtime. We can see what is runtime, what is compile time later on. What is a polymorphism? Poly means many, morphism means making many forms. Means here we are going to be using the single method name. Means add method we are going to be using, and we are going to be performing different operations, different behaviors it should be displayed. That is the use of the polymorphism. In the below example, polymorphism is demonstrated by the using of the multiple add methods. Means in the below example, here we are going to be using the which method? Add method, and use of the multiple add methods. Means different signatures we are going to be passing to perform the addition operation. The list of the parameters, their number, type and order of the type. Means whenever we are going to be using the add method, in the method definition there we are going to be passing some parameters. Parameters order also will be different, and parameters list and type also different. We can see one by one. What is polymorphism? Poly means many, morphism means many form, making many forms. That is the definition of the polymorphism. Here in this example, here first we can see the example. Below example we have one class will be created. See here, one class will be created. We can zoom it that one. See here. Here we have created one class. What is the class name? Class. Before the class keyword, here we are going to be using the public is a keyword, and class name overloaded we are going to be giving. Overload we are going to be giving. Then in the main method, here we are going to be creating the objective. Demo class object. This one is the demo class is what? This one is the class name of the demo class. Then object, one object will be created. Then system.out.println obj.add 2, 5 system.out.println obj object.add. We are going to be using the different parameters here. Then we need to see the definitions of that class. Here we are going to be creating the object will be related to which class? Demo class. Demo class, how many methods we have declared and what are the parameters we are going to be passing? See, we can see one by one. Here we are going to be creating the class demo class public. In that, here we are going to be declaring the how many methods? 3 methods. First method will be public int add method. Add. In that, here we are going to be passing the how many parameters? Int x, int y. 2 parameters we are going to be passing, and we are going to be returning the x plus y. Then we are going to be ending the add method. Next again we are going to be using the same method name, and how many parameters we are going to be passing? 3 parameters, int x, y, z. Then return type is also we are going to be passing int return equal to x plus y plus z we are going to be using. Then end. This is the class demo second method. Means what is overloaded? What is overloading means same method name we are going to be using and with different parameters. That is called overloaded. We have already seen what is a function, how to declare the functions, what is overloading, what is overriding. This one overloading means same method name with different parameters, different signatures we are going to be passing. Again we are going to be using the AND method. Then here we are going to be passing the how many parameters? Two parameters. Then return pi, double pi value we are going to be specifying. Then int return we are going to be returning the value in which format? In format. What is the pi value? 3.14. It is in decimal form. Again we are going to be performing the implicit type conversion. Means we are forcefully converting one type to another type. Here that is implicit means forcefully we are going to be converting in integer format. 3 plus x value how much we have given? 10 means that 13 answer will be displayed. We can see the example also how to write that one. First we are going to be start with the here onwards. First class demo we are going to be using. Copy first public class demo we are going to be using. Then how many methods we have declared here? 3 methods. Then this one is the method 1 we have declared. Method will be completed. The second method also we have written here. Int add. Then signature definition also we have written here. And just to copy pasting, we can type it. It will take time now. That's fine. How many methods we are going to be passing? 3 methods. With the same name. Method name will be same. And we are going to be using how many parameters? 3 different parameters. This is the class demo. We are going to be ending the class demo here. Then we need to save the file. Where we need to save? In the local disk C, Java folder. Then we need to give this some other name. You can see first we need to copy the which one? This one also need to copy. Which class we have to give? This one also need to copy. Paste. First overloaded class. String dot main method object will be created. Then system dot order println. Then we are going to be using class. This is about program. Then we need to give the name. Which name we need to give? Main method name. Demo class. Demo class. First we need to give the demo class. We need to save the file. Save the file. Where we need to save? In the C drive. Then Java folder we are going to be using. Then we need to give the demo.java. We are going to be using. Save as type. We need to take all files. We have already saved. Then we need to run the program also. First we need to go to command prompt. CMD we need to type. Then we need to remove the path. Then CLS command we are going to be using to clear the screen. Then use the cd space. We are in which folder? Java folder. Then we are going to be execute the program. How to execute the program? Java C compiler we are going to be using. Then what is the program name we have given there? that program name we need to type. We need to type the program name. First we need to go to particular C drive, then Java folder we are going to be using. Then what is the program name we have given? Demo class. DEMOCLASS class we are going to be using. DEMO. We need to type the same name. Otherwise you will get the errors. CLASS class dot Java we are going to be using. Error class overloaded is in public should be declared. Then we need to give the public class overloaded. So we need to give the name. Again we need to rename that file. Which file we need to rename? Demo class. Open. Then overloaded. Class C. Then save as we are going to be using. Instead of using that one, control V dot Java overloaded. Java we are going to be using. Then save the file. Save it. Then again we need to compile the program. How to compile? What is the file name we have given here? Overloaded. Overloaded. And then enter. Overloaded after demo class is in public should be declared. Should be declared in one type. Okay, we will begin some public. Control S we need to be using. CLASS class demo class. CLS we are going to be using. Class overloaded. We need to open the demo class. Then we need to remove the CLASS class overloaded. Then save it. There is no error. Then again we need to compile and execute the program. Main method will be CA 630 we are going to display. Output will be 76030. Means same method name we are going to be using. Addition method. By using that we are going to be performing different behaviors. Here we are going to be getting the 76030. Means same method name with different parameters, different outputs we are going to be displaying. That is called polymorphism. Output will be displayed here. Whenever we are going to be saving the file, first we need to use the first class name. Then we are going to be executing the program means we need to use the main method class name. This rule we need to consider while we are going to be executing and compiling the programs. Today, what is polymorphism? We have completed. Poly means many, morphism means making many forms. And we have seen the example. Overloaded means same method name we are going to be using different parameters. That is called polymorphism. Tomorrow we can see the types of polymorphism and how to write the how many types of polymorphisms we have, how to write the programs also we can see. Thank you, Varuna.